Hello, hi guys. Okay, we are continuing our series on laravel-livewire. In this video, we'll try to build a contact form here. So this is the contact form. We'll just create a contact form, and then we'll try to submit this form. And yeah, let's see. And there is our email and our phone number. And let's remove this one, and let's send our message. Okay, so as soon as our message is submitted, we'll get confirmation here. For now we are not, but it's okay. We'll get our confirmation message here as well, and we'll reset the form after the confirmation. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this. Let's run our application here. Okay, and let's check if everything is working fine. Okay, this is where we left off last time. So we'll remove this component and we will go ahead and create our contact form component. For that, let's go ahead and create another terminal here. Okay, and let's remove this component first, which we have. For that, actually, we'll go to welcome.php and we'll just remove this component and we'll add a contact form here. Okay, and let's go ahead and create PHP artisan livewire make contact form. Okay, so it will create our contact form class and our contact form view. Let's go ahead and open these guys in our split window, and meanwhile we'll render this component here, livewire contact form. Okay, and let's go ahead and open both of these guys here. Let's minimize this window, contact form, and also we'll want to open our blade contact form. Let's go ahead and open this in our split window, split right, and yeah, cool. So I will just copy paste. I have already created this HTML blade file here. Let's go ahead and copy paste this. Okay, so this is our blade file. Let's go ahead and refresh and see if this works and how it looks like. Okay, so this is our form. This is just a simple blade form. There is no validation, there is no nothing here. There is no live wire actually bindings here. And so let's go ahead and create our attributes and create our bindings here. So for that we have let's go ahead and minimize this part. We don't need to worry about this part. This is just a simple form and with HTML attributes, and yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and start creating our binding. So first we need first name, last name, and then we need email, we need phone number, and we need a message here. And let's go ahead and add these bindings here and check if everything is working fine. Wire model, first name, let's copy this guy and add it here as well, and then we'll just go ahead and bind the email as well, and then our phone number, and lastly the message here. We'll bind the message here. Sorry about that. Okay, so it seems like they are binded. Let's go ahead and add our validation here as well. Okay, first name, okay, and let's make it required, and let's make it max 32, and let's make it minimum at least 2. Let's go ahead and do the same for the other guys. Email, phone number, and message as well. And let's go ahead and write the validation for these guys as well. Last name, email. Let's change this to minimum, remove this minimum and make it email, and and then there will be phone number. Let's change this min max to actually let's keep min to 9, 10 actually, and max to 14, and let's make it numeric. Okay, and lastly we'll change the message. Message we will just minimum 5 and max 1024. I think that's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and also add this updated hook. So in updated we'll actually get the property name that this property is being updated. Let's fix this typo, and here we will just call this valid only. If anything looks seems strange to you, you can just ask in the comment. And also I would highly say that please check my previous video on Livewire so that your concepts are clear. Submit form. Okay, and let's put that validation here as well. So this validator will automatically just pick up these rules and try to validate this. And let's go ahead and check if validation is working fine. So okay, so yeah, the validation is kicking in. First name John Doe, and something here. Okay, this is should be email John Doe at localhost, and this should be numeric. So yeah, it is not working. Let's see why it is not working. Okay, here in the phone number, yeah, this is the problem. Okay, so I think now it should work. Oh, cool. So it does work. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it is saying the phone number must be not be greater than 14. So it's taking it as an integer. So let's go ahead and put this regex instead of this guy, and let's make it 0 to 9 instead of that, and plus. So we already have min max here, so it will only accept 0 to 9 digits. There is no alphanumeric now. The phone number must be at least 10 characters. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So yeah, this is fine now. And then there is message. Okay, so minimum 5 character. So yeah, this seems to work fine. Let's go ahead and try to submit this form and see if it works. So to submit the form, we need actually wire submit prevent. Okay, and here we will give the target method that we want to call when the form is submitted. So this what this is doing, this is preventing the form to submit like as a regular way, and it will actually hook with a Livewire. So the Livewire will be submitting the form instead of just HTML submitting the form, the browser submission. Yeah, I think that's it. And let's go ahead and see if our form is being submitted and validated. Let's go ahead and put dump here, and this dot. Let's go and do this. Yeah, and actually let's not do this. Let's put, because this just validate will return the data that is being validated. And let's go ahead and refresh this form and check if everything is working. Okay, John Doe at localhost.com 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is our message. Okay, and submit this. Okay, cool. So we got our data here. So yeah, this is the way to submit the form. Here now you will have some mail function here, but I'll put sleep here so that maybe sleep. So this is, we assume that this is our mail function which is sending the email and sending the email. So once the email is submitted, so what we will do, we want to display a success message here, public success message. Thank you, we will contact you shortly. Okay, reset. And after this we'll reset the form, so we'll just write reset form. So in the reset form we'll just reset all the values. Let's make it protected so that livewire doesn't interfere with this guy. And let's make it null, and let's do for all of these values. And last name, email, phone, and then there is message. Okay, and seems cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this now. Okay, so Rehan Manzoor at localhost.com, and over here we'll put number 67890, and this is our message. Let's open this Ajax thing console here, and let's see. Okay, so we submitted the form. So once the form is being submitted, this guy will be disabled by the livewire as well. This is a very good, very neat trick, and a very nice functionality. And okay, so form is submitted. After the form is submitted, everything is reset. So there is just one small thing here. We need we'll add our a loader here, a bootstrap loader here, and that will actually display, okay, there is an Ajax call in the progress. So to do that, we'll just go ahead and get a spinner from the bootstrap. That's docs, and we're using 4.6, and we'll get a spinner here. So okay, so we'll get the spinner, so that it is displaying the blue button. So this guy we will get from here, and let's go ahead and paste it in the button. And let's remove this loading, we don't need it. Let's see if this works, if it is visible now or not. Yeah, so it is visible by default, but we only want this to be visible when the form is being submitted, when the Ajax call is in the progress. So let's go ahead and put our wire loading here. So this is true when the Ajax call is in the progress. So let's go ahead and refresh this now. Okay, so yeah, we can see this is flickering. So whenever there is an Ajax call, actually it loads it. So to prevent this, we have to add wire target here. So what wire target is doing, it is telling the livewire only enable loading for this, only show this component when the form is being submitted. Other than that, if there is a validation call or there is an update method, don't do this, don't do anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this. John Doe, yeah, cool. So it is not displayed now. Localhost.com, and here we'll 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is our message. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So once the form is submitted, it resets the form, it shows the Ajax call as well. So just one last thing I want to show you. So if you see, like, whenever there is a form submit and whenever you add a target, actually it keeps track of this. So okay, so this is the update that it needs to do. The update is a call method, and the call method is submit form. So what it will do is in the livewire, it will go back here and it will tell the livewire, okay, on this component that you need to call the submit form. So that's how this knows that, okay, only enable this whenever there is a submit form call here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think we just missed one thing. Let's add our success message here as well, and success message. Actually, let's remove this guy from here, and let's make it null here and only show it here. Okay, and I think this should work now. And let's put a session message here, and to do that, we'll add this div. I'll add this success, and here we'll just put our success message, and here we can put if success message, only then render this alert. And let's indent this code and let's check again one last time. And John Doe John at localhost.com 012345678 and this is our message. Let's do this. Cool. So once the form is submitted, we will display this message here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any question or comment, if you want to learn anything, if you want to make anything in Livewire. I will be happy to assist. Until then, thank you, bye bye, cheers, keep watching.